Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that right now, as you're reading this, you are moving through time, and you've been doing it since the moment you were born? You might laugh and say, of course 1 second at a time. But here's where it gets interesting. Physics says we can change that speed. We can slow time down, or even under certain conditions, make it run differently for different observers. And this isn't fantasy. It's been measured. It's been tested. It's been proven. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time is not constant, it stretches and contracts depending on how fast you're moving and how strong gravity is around you. Astronauts on the International Space Station, moving at 17,500 miles per hour, actually age slightly slower than we do on Earth. Their clocks run a fraction of a second behind ours. NASA calls this time dilation, and it has been confirmed by precise atomic clock experiments. Now, here's where the door to real time travel swings open. In 1935, British pilot Sir Victor Goddard reported an incident that science still struggles to explain. While flying over an abandoned airfield, he suddenly saw it alive with brand new planes and mechanics in unfamiliar uniforms. Moments later, it was abandoned again. For years later, the airfield was renovated exactly as he had seen it. Was this a time slip? And if so, could a mind under rare conditions access points in time like a radio tunes into frequencies? Modern physics gives us tantalizing clues. Kip Thorne, the Nobel Prize winning physicist who advised on Interstellar, has shown that wormholes, if they exist, could connect not just two places, but two times. The math works. The problem is building one stable enough for humans. Even Stephen Hawking admitted, Einstein's general theory of relativity seems to offer the possibility that we could warp space-time so much that we could go off in a rocket and return before we set out. So here's the truth. We already have partial time travel astronauts do it. High-speed particles in labs do it. And there are credible accounts of people experiencing sudden slips forward or backward in time. The only gap between us and stepping into the past or future is technology, and history shows that what we can imagine, science often catches up to. The question is no longer if time travel is real. The question is, when will we decide to build it?